und herzlich willkommen zurück zu Final Fantasy 13 Lightning Returns. Ja, wir sind immer noch in den Wildlande, weil wir uns ein bisschen die Zeit vertreiben wollen. Denn in in Luxarian kommen wir auch nicht weiter und in Yuznan auch nicht. Zumindest gibt es da nicht viel zu tun. Das sind alles Zeitbegrenzungen, die wir dort einhalten müssen. Was haben die eigentlich für eine Schwäche Angriff? Okay. Okay. Ja, wir müssen immer noch Futter finden für das Tokobo. Und ja, ansonsten erledigen wir halt wieder Missionen. So nebenbei. Nebenbei müssen wir ja Dünger sammeln, ne? Genau.
Do you know about Moogles? They're creatures from fairy tale books.
Mhm. Hier gibt es in dem Wald ein paar Gegner, die ziemlich nervig sind, muss ich leider sagen. Beziehungsweise, ja, nervig und anstrengend. Also die hier nicht, ne? Die sind ja ziemlich easy. Hey. Das ist mein Leben, ja? Hey, ich will mit dir reden, renn nicht weg.
See that? That there is a cluster of barrier vines. The blue ones part during the day, while the red ones, well, they do the opposite. They part only at night.
Ja, das sind die Viecher übrigens, die nervig sind. Gegen die habe ich ehrlich gesagt noch kein Interesse zu kämpfen. Nichts für ungut, aber die sind echt noch nichts für mich. Hey, wie konntest du mich treffen? Wo bin ich denn jetzt überhaupt? Ich habe den Überblick verloren. Das gibt's doch nicht. Ich einfach nicht treffe. Vielleicht sollte ich mal was anderes auswählen. Vielleicht sollten wir wieder mit... Ach, vielleicht sollte ich mit dem hier ein bisschen rumrennen. Das lässt sich vielleicht besser treffen. Möglicherweise. Boah, nee. Geht bloß weg. Ich weiß leider jetzt überhaupt nicht, wo ich bin. Da vorne ist noch Dünger. Die mit ihren kleinen Messern und Lightning mit so einem übertrieben großen Schwert. Haben wir jetzt eigentlich schon irgendwas zum Ne, und so Fluch und Bann. Wow. Könnte ich ja nicht mal was Gescheites bekommen? Ah, hier bin ich jetzt wieder. Okay.
You think you can win? Let's see.
Achso, übrigens, was ich mal erwähnen könnte, ich weiß nicht ob oder ob nicht, weil ich ja gerade alles wieder an einem Stück aufnehme. Wegen Tomb Raider Anniversary, das werde ich auch noch zu Ende spielen. Da ist ja nicht mehr viel zu tun, nur ich bin gerade voll im Final Fantasy Rausch. Und deswegen. Lol, so ein Viech hier.
Time can't be stopped.
Okay. Naja, mal schauen.
Are you the Cole who owns the field?
Who told you that name? Where'd you hear it?
From Sarala at Canopus Farms. She told me that her father, Cole, left the village to collect fertilizer from the woods, but he didn't come back.
And so you thought I was this fertilizer seeker? Is that what you're telling me? Is that right?
You still haven't answered my question.
Sure enough. But why should I give you something for nothing? I say we, you and I, engage in some give and take.
You're not gonna answer me, are you?
Not until you do something for me. The fact is, I am looking for fertilizer, which doesn't make me that coal fella mind. Anyway, it's a big job, and I could do with some help. Nah, it's simple enough work. Anyone can do it. I've already found the stuff. It just needs gathering. I've marked the locations with a shovel. All you have to do is dig the stuff up and bring it to me.
Okay.
I've done what you asked. Now tell me who you are.
Of course. I'm a man of my word, and I'll tell you what you want to know. You said you are looking for Sarala's father, a man called Cole? That's right, isn't it? Now listen carefully. The Cole you seek, well, the fact is he's already dead.
He is?
Yep, that's right. I was the one who found him. He was attacked by monsters. I ran to help, but by the time I reached him, it was too late. I was standing here pondering how I was going to break the news to Sarala when you came along with your questions. I feared if I told you what happened, you'd run straight off and tell Sarala.
She has to be told sometime. Or will you keep it a secret?
Of course not. I know I can't put it off forever as much as I'd like to. Now's the time. She needs to be told the truth. Plain and simple, with no sugarcoating. I think it'll be for the best. In the long run, leastways.
For the best, huh? Tell me, when you say it would be for the best, do you mean it would be the best for Sarala? Or are you talking about yourself?
What do you mean? Why, Sarala, of course. She's a strong girl. If you ask me, she'll do far better without her old man to burden her. Yep, she'll be able to move on, stand on her own feet, and live her own life.
All right. Well, in that case, let me tell her.
You'd really do that? I'd hate to drag a stranger into this.
Maybe a stranger is exactly who she needs to hear it from.
You might be right. Very well. I'll leave it in your capable hands. That fertilizer you collected, it was Cole who found it. So, why don't you take it to Sarala as a keepsake? Oh, and one more thing. Give her a message from Cole.
You spoke to him?
Yep, just before he died in my arms. The last thing he said was, dig next to the flower. You tell her that, in those exact words.
It's a hard story to swallow. But at the very least, he really cares about Sarala and what happens to her. I'll go back to Canopus Farms and tell Sarala the news.
Ja, das machen wir später. Jetzt gehe ich erstmal hier so ein bisschen in diese Stadt.
First time in Yogd? My name is Darius. I like to keep on top of what's happening around here. This village is called Yogd. It's mostly hunters who live here. We survive by hunting monsters of all kinds. The people here may not look like much, but trust me, they know how to use a bow. Only the very best can join our band. We're a close-knit band of elite hunters, united by the dangers we face.
Aha. Interessant. So, mal gucken. Was haben wir denn hier für Outfits? Na? Mhm. Lol, das kommt mir so unbekannt vor. Das kommt mir jetzt echt unbekannt vor. Aber na gut. Ich brauche sie erstmal nicht. Ich habe nicht so viel Geld. Was hast du so? Aha, aha, aha. Ah, die brauche ich halt nicht unbedingt. Noch nicht. Also ich werde die später alle kaufen, aber jetzt noch nicht.
Easy, easy, easy. Calm down now. It's a healthy-looking bird. Why, thank you. You wouldn't believe that not so long ago, he was so injured he could barely walk. Is that right? Yes. He's completely better now, though. He can run like the wind, all thanks to the herb I gave him. Must be a powerful medicine. What's it called? Why are you so interested? Oh, you're the person who found the Angel of Valhalla, right? I think I can help you. The herb is called Yule's flower. It's a very beautiful flower that grows out east near the ruined city. Yule's flower, huh? Yes, if you find one, let your chocobo graze on it. If you pick it yourself, it's not nearly as effective. Actually, speaking of that, can I ask you a favor? If you do get the Angel of Valhalla to eat some Yule's flowers, could you bring him to me afterwards?
Können wir machen, aber dazu müsste er erstmal wieder laufen können.
It's just that I want to check something. Well, if chocobos can learn how to speak, and if the angel is smarter than the rest, do you really think they can talk? No, I'm just joking. Anyway, if you do go to the ruins in the east, be careful. There are scary monsters roaming around there.
Okay. Oh, wir haben es jetzt schon 16 Uhr. Und was sagt die Zeit? Naja, noch ein bisschen haben wir noch. Okay, dann würde ich jetzt sagen, rennen wir wieder zurück zu Sarella und dem Chocobo. Ich weiß nicht, ob das Futter schon reicht. Aber wenn, wir können ja jetzt auch welches anpflanzen, weil wir den Dünger haben. So, das nehmen wir alles mit. Das brauchen wir eh noch später. Das Problem ist, dass ich nicht so viel Gemüsesamen habe. Weil hier auch liegen kaum welche rum. Also sonst war das eigentlich kein Problem. Okay. Das ging jetzt ausnahmsweise mal schneller. Huch. Okay. Mal schauen, was dazu zu sagen hat. Ich weiß es natürlich. Huch, so eine traurige Musik jetzt. Und ja, da müssen wir jetzt eh gleich nach Dingsy Bumsy, nach Julesland.
Now you know who is stronger.
Also um 18 Uhr müssen wir nach Yusnan und um... Ich weiß gar nicht, ob ich jetzt schon... Also ob ich pünktlich um 18 Uhr da sein muss. Denn dann hätten wir ein kleines Problemchen. Obwohl kann ich mir im Notfall noch teleportieren. Also um 18 Uhr müssen wir nach Yusnan und um Mitternacht nach Luxarian. Ich würde mir sagen, straffes Programm. Scheiße. Hat nicht so geklappt.
Now you know who is stronger.
Und zwar möchte ich immer zwischen den zwei hin und her wechseln, damit ich nur einzelne Angriffe mache. Aber das klappt nicht so gut. So, dann werden wir jetzt noch schnell ein bisschen Dünger einpflanzen. Das Chocobo füttern und mit Sorala reden. Und dann reisen wir schon nach Yusnan.
Sorala.
Oh, hello! Is that fertilizer from the woods? Thanks. Does that mean you met Father?
I've got some bad news.
Oh, no! Please, not that.
He left a message. His last words before he died were, dig next to the flower.
The flower? A box?
My dearest daughter, if this letter has found its way into your hands, it breaks my heart. But you shall not be seeing me again. I pray that you'll forgive me, but I could not bring myself to say these words to you in person. Now, I want you to know this. The vegetables that we grow in that field are the finest in all of the wildlands. Everyone who tastes them agrees. Do you know why, my daughter? Because you are the one who tends them. It's all thanks to you. Once I am dead, the farm passes to you. It's yours to do as you please. I ask only one thing of you. You know the flower that I looked after? The one that never blooms? Please, promise me you'll look after it and keep it safe. This is my last request to you. There will be no more after this. Farewell, my dearest daughter.
Oh, Dad!
Are you all right?
Yes. Thank you for everything, for telling me the truth. Father stayed here on the farm, not because he liked it, but because he didn't want to leave me alone. He always wanted to leave this place and go on a journey.
A journey?
Yes, to find my mother. She disappeared a long time ago, but he believed she was alive, and he thought I held him back.
You shouldn't think like that.
But it's true. Look what he wrote in the letter. It's all about that stupid flower that never even blooms. He practically comes out and says he doesn't care what happens to me as long as his precious flower is safe.
What flower?
Oh, who cares? He was obsessed with it, you know? Always fussing over it. Even though it never bloomed once. What?
It is. It really is. I found it. Unbelievable.
Who are you?
Why, who cares who I am? Behold, the Sorala rosa, genus Munchus, the flower of legend, said to bloom once every 500 years.
What? Sorala?
Yes, yes. Sorala rosa Munchus. In the ancient tongue, it means for the love of my daughter. The legend says that any place that it blooms will be blessed with great fortune and prosperity forever. I must leave you now and write my paper before my rivals beat me to it. Cornelia is my name, and plant biology is my game. Goodbye and good luck.
Sorala. He must have named you after the flower. for good luck
Okay.
and prosperity.
Das ist interessant.
Yes. Oh, Dad.
Psst.
Oh, right. You wanted some greens,
Okay.
didn't you?
Dann hätten wir das jetzt auch
Look at
erledigt.
all my field
Mit
is allowed
den...
to grow
Also
some of
Düngerpflanzen
your
können wir ja
own.
noch. Oder?
I'm not a farmer.
You'll soon get the hang of it. You just need dirt, which I've got.
Boah,
And
das
we've
nervt
got the
mein Hund grad.
fertilizer that
Was willst
Father
denn du?
found.
Nicht nerven.
There you
Ja,
go.
los, geh doch.
Can you
Oh,
see
nervt
the
nicht.
spots
Was
where I
willst denn
spread the
du?
fertilizer?
Oh,
Just
hinter meinen
plant
Stuhl,
seeds
natürlich.
there and gazelle greens will sprout thick as weeds. Here, I'll give you your first seeds. The better the fertilizer, the more greens you can grow. Go find some and bring it back here.
Oh, dankeschön. Ich hatte nämlich, glaube ich, nur einen.
Very nice.
Ja, das werden wir gleich machen. Also, das mache ich jetzt einfach noch. So viel Zeit muss sein. Sie sagt jetzt immer das Gleiche und dann pflanzt sie.
Plant your seeds in the
So, ich glaube, mehr können wir jetzt eh nicht. Ja, alle, ne? Ja, genau. Okay. 6 Stunden. Boah. Ich glaube, das stand bei der PlayStation. Na doch. Okay, das stand bei der PlayStation dann auch. Ich habe es nur übersprungen. So, und die geben wir jetzt noch das Essen. Kann bald wieder aufstehen. Na hey. Gut.